Mars rover and drone prototypes brave strong Iceland winds in analog test. Space.com. Sony's latest smartphone accessory is pretty cool. The Verge. Scientists are divining the future of Earth's ice-covered oceans at their harsh fringes. East Mojo. Apple confirms iOS 16 battery percentage display not available on certain iPhone models. Macrumors. ESA, NASA's Solar Orbiter spacecraft has solved the magnetic switchback mystery. Tech Explorist. Apple website glitch sets iPhone 14 price at $777,777 per Mo 9 to 5 Mac. First Look Review. Cervelo revives the soloist. Canadian Cycling Magazine. Chinese study looks at how water got on the moon. Inquirer.net. Motorola Edge 30 Fusion first impressions. A new flagship killer in town. Gadgets 360. Gamma rays from a dwarf galaxy solve an astronomical puzzle. East Mojo.